Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today again we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and in this video friends I will show you guys how to turn off lock screen notification. Friends, you want to off guys your lock screen notification. So guys, how to off lock screen notification on oppo phone device? In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you don't want to show guys your lock screen notification. So how to turn off your lock screen notification on oppo phone? Let's see. Open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting, friends, scroll it. Friends, click on your notification and status bar. Friends, you can see guys your notification status bar settings. Status bar guys, you want to off battery percentage, you can off. You want to know a real-time network speed, you can on. Friends, you can see when I will off battery percentage will not show, so I will on it. Friends, real-time network speed, friends, you want to show. Friends, you can see your network speed will show here. When you will off, speed will not show guys, so I will off, speed will not show. Friends, click on manage notification, and friends, you can see there are many settings. Friends, you want to change guys your style, app notification style, so you can style from here. Friends, you can see lock screen notification on display. Friends, you can see display title and body lock screen notification. Friends, you don't want to show. Friends, click on don't show. So friends, you can see lock screen notification will not show on your lock screen guys. And friends, you want to off your app notification, any app guys. So friends, you can off from here, you can on from here. You want to on which app guys you don't want to notification, you can off from here, like the theme space, gboard guys, gmail notification you want, so you can on from here. You don't want to use guys, tap here to off it guys, right side. Same guys, you can use, you want to on guys your youtube notification, you want to enable, you want to disable, you can enable disable. Friends, you want, friends, you don't want to use your share me app notification, you can off from here. You want to use, you can on from here guys. So like that guys, you can on and off your app notification, and once you can off your lock screen notification from here guys. So guys, notification will not show on your lock screen guys after off it. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video guys. I hope friends you understood how to off lock screen notification on oppo phone. So bye guys.